Affiliate marketing is not the only way that you can generate passive income online. You don't necessarily need to sell anything or promote a certain platform or service. There are just a couple steps you need to follow. And if you do that correctly, you've got yourself a brand new stream of passive income that works around the clock. Today, we're about to earn $500 all-in passive income, Bitcoin or Ethereum, whichever you prefer, and we're going to make use a pre-bot that is going to make the process way easier. If that sounds cool, then make sure to subscribe. And let's get started. The very first tool we're going to use is called Faucet Pay. And the main function of this website is basically that it is going to act as the Bitcoin wallet. It is going to support multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the less popular Bitcoin Cash or Dash. They're even going to provide you with the opportunity of earning crypto through surveys, tasks, and all of that sweet stuff. But we're not going to focus on that today. Now, of course, if you want to, you can definitely watch some videos, fill in some surveys, and earn some extra cash. But that is not going to be the main focus. You can even get paid to click in Bitcoins if that sounds interesting to you. In other words, you can save some time and click on advertisements available at our website and earn some additional income. But that is not where we're going to do either. And he said that we're going to focus on their FOSS. At least now, do not worry. I'm going to explain what that means thoroughly in just a bit. This is going to be step-by-step process, and I'm going to walk you through it. And so you'll have all the resources you need, and also my guidance throughout the whole process. For now, I want you to click on the Sign Up button that is going to send you to a sign-up form that you can fill in with your credentials, username, email address, bounce rate, sign up, and that's it. And if this is the very first time you ever connect to the website, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. You'll have all the different balances here of your cryptocurrencies. For instance, how many Bitcoins you have, how many Ethereum coins, and so on and so forth. Naturally, as soon as you create your account, all of those are going to be set to 0, but we're going to change that in a matter of minutes. What I want you guys to do next, once you have successfully set up your account, is head over to the earnings section, click on that. And as you can see, you have the offers that we have just talked about. Surveys offer was basically, but we're not interested in any of that. And instead, let's click on Foster List. And there you have it. This is going to open up a comprehensive list of all of the faucets that are currently compatible with faucetpay.io. Don't worry, I'm going to explain exactly what that means. What is simply, most of these websites are going to allow you to earn Bitcoin or Ethereum, whichever you prefer, in a passive manner. But that is only if you manage to connect those to Phosphate. Otherwise, you would have to go there and redeem your earnings manually. But Phosphate is going to make the whole process automatic. So this is the free bog that we're going to make use of. However, some of these websites are quite shady, to put it mildly. To be even more honest, I only trust a couple of websites in this list. And so what I'm going to do next is filter through all of the BS, so you don't have to. But guys, pay attention. These were all the Bitcoin supporting ones. If you want to go for Ethereum, you need to select that in here and make sure those are compatible with Ethereum as well. For the sake of today's method, I'm going to go for Bitcoin. But remember, you don't necessarily have to. You can choose whichever one you prefer. And that being said, let's head over to the first one, which is going to be over coinpayo.com. Earn crypto by viewing websites, earn crypto by doing offers, and so on. This is one of the so-called gets paid to websites. But the thing that stands out from the crowd is that it's got a rating of 4.9 out of 5 based on over 3,000 reviews. And that is pretty significant. We've got over 150,000 users, which are all active on a weekly basis. And they have processed over 650 successful payments so far. There is a lot of money to be made. But here is the feature that I want you to pay close attention to. Here is what we're going to take advantage of. They've got a faucet here. And for the sake of today's method, we're going to select Bitcoin faucet. But you can go for Ethereum or Dogecoin if you want to. They've got some other cryptocurrencies as well, such as Solana, for instance, which is really promising, but let's go for Bitcoin now. What this tool allows you to do is basically receive free Bitcoin every 60 minutes. And all you have to do is connect to the website every once in a while after you register, of course, and click on Receive Now. AddBic.top, which is going to be our second faucet, is going to work in a very similar manner. And this is only at least of the latest withdrawals. People are making money as we speak, so you can definitely grab a piece of that pie. Now signing up here is going to be so easy. so I'm not going to bore you with that. Answering your email address, sign up, and you're going to go. And don't worry guys, I'm going to walk you through the entire process. And I'm going to show you how you can link your Faucet's paid account to these other websites, so you can make the entire process automatic. Now let's connect to autoclaim.in, which is going to be number 3 on the list free crypto coins. That is what you're going to receive. And they've got over 31 types of cryptocurrencies, including the famous Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're going to support the 3 different ways of burning. The first one of them is going to be the faucet, which is basically the main focus of today's video. The second one is the mining process. But we're not interested in that for now. If you want me to, I'm going to cover that in a future video. And lastly, we've got the games that you can play in order to get some extra cash. That withdrawals are going to be instant, so that as soon as you're satisfied with the amount that you have generated, you can send your earnings straight into your Bitcoin wallet. In zero worry, you're not the first person to withdraw here. There have been over 10 million success withdrawals so far. And so let's get started. If you already have an account, click on Get Started and go through the sign-up process. But I'm going to sign into my account. Most likely, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. If you take a look on the left-hand side, you're going to see multiple subsections here. But I want you to head over to the faucet so I can show you exactly what we're going to do. And at this point, we've got 2 different options. You've got either the manual claim, but we don't want to connect to the website every once in a while and manually claim the coins. And instead, we want to claim them automatically. So be the first option. That is going to show you how many tokens are available right now. And it is also going to allow you to claim your reward. As you can see, you've got the list of the different crypto coins that are supported on the platform as of right now. And I'm going to select Bitcoin. But here comes the keyboard of the process. Just as I mentioned, how would you like to get payouts? And we're going to select Faucet Pay. Not only is that going to make the process automatic, but it is also going to save us 1% of the profits. And here's how you're going to automate the process. You're going to even choose the frequency. So we're going to set it at 2 minutes. As of right now, we don't really have any payment booths. So let's just pick one next. And that's it. This is your estimated earnings. Hit the clean button and you're all good. The order claiming is started. Please leave this window open for getting the payouts. Now that is only going to take you 2 minutes as you have just selected. And as you can see, after 2 minutes, you can redeem your next earning. But for the fact that you have connected to Faucet Pay, that is going to be automatic. But the amount of money you have generated has just been credited to you, so you've got nothing to worry about. However, you might have probably spotted that I don't have that amount of tokens anymore. I have far less. Well, each time you redeem your earnings, you're going to basically be a certain amount of tokens, and you need to collect those in order to withdraw your money. So let's do that. If you go over to the free tokens section, you're going to see that you've got different options to earn tokens. You earn more tokens, you make more money. That is how easy that process is. So let's go over to the upper roles for instance. These are just going to be the typical offers that you get, such as watching ads, filling in surveys, all of that sweet stuff. If you do that, you're going to earn tokens, and with those tokens, you can head over to the faucet, select articling once again, select the cryptocurrency you're interested in and hit the claim icon. And lastly, I need you to connect to autofaucet.org, which is going to be pretty similar. Even the design is going to look just like autoclaim.in. They also provide 36 different cryptocurrencies, so you can choose the one that you're interested in, and even the page is going to look the same. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell, and I'll see you soon.